the actual statement was more dovish than we had expected, but then the press conference was a lot more bearish than we had expected. So markets got whipsawed, not just equity markets, also credit markets, also the gold market, the dollar market. And it was very interesting to see this back and forth, this tug of war between the more dovish and the more hawkish members of the Federal Reserve. Both sides of their dual mandate, inflation and stable employment, are at the same time moving away from them, right? We have a very weakening labor market, as the Federal Reserve is now openly alluding to. They were hinting at it, but now they're outright saying it. At the same time, we have inflation that is rising. And keep in mind, we are heading into year 6 in just a few short months, away from this now being the 6th year that inflation is above the Federal Reserve's target, right? At some point, this becomes a crisis of credibility. It does not just become about, oh, this is a short-term pass-through from tariffs. Like, this has become, at some point, if Americans do not no longer trust that inflation will return to 2%, right? You can unanchor inflation expectations, and that is how you get a catastrophic problem like it did in the 1970s. So the Federal Reserve has to be very careful here. And I think Powell's ambiguity is somewhere in that spirit, believe it or not.